Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the best apps for recording and editing your videos, especially if you're just starting out. So whether you're creating content for your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or whatever it may be, these are going to be the game-changing apps for you. These will take your content to the next level. So let's jump right into the video. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're recording using your iPhone but you feel like your videos are not giving, the videos are not clear, they're not giving quality, but you feel like your videos could be better, these are the two apps that I used when I was starting out, and they made a big difference. So the first app is Final Cut Camera. So this is an app from Apple, and it gives you more control over your exposure, over your focus, color grading, which is all better than the natural iPhone camera. So if you feel like you want to take more cinematic shots, more clean shots, that is just the app for you. The second app is Cinema Pro or Cinema Pro 3. This app gives you more professional looking videos because it lets you customize your frame rate, your shutter speed, and your ISO. So if you want your videos to be more professional looking, and if you want more control over those aspects of your video, that is just the app for you. I feel like it feels more like my camera that I'm using right now because it lets you adjust all that. So that is another very great option. Once you've got your footage, the next step is editing. Here are my favorite beginner friendly apps that you can use for editing your videos and your pictures, which are also very easy to use and they're not complicated at all. So the first one is CapCut. So CapCut is probably the best free editing tool for creators out there. First of all, it's free, which is the best thing, but it also has so many AI tools, so many filters, so many transitions that you could all use to just put your video together, especially if you have so many cuts in your videos. It just helps bring your video up together. And one thing I like about it is it has a teleprompter, though the teleprompter is a pro version, but it has a teleprompter, and you may be asking yourself, what is a teleprompter? CapCut now has the ability to record from their app. So when you're recording from their app, it gives you like you can input your script into the app and record while looking at your script, which is very cool. But it also comes with text to speech, so it just writes down whatever words are in your video, and it helps you identify filler words. So for example, if you use things like it just helps you cut those out and just make your video seamlessly without those filler words. That's very good, so don't overlook the beauty of CapCut. The next is iMovie. So iMovie is a simple app to use, honestly. If you want something very simple, something basic, just trimming and cutting your videos, it is that simple. Honestly, it's so simple that it's complicated for me, okay? So if you want just to trim, to edit just a little tiny bit of everything, iMovie is the app for you, but I think that's only on iPhone. The next is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is such a labor of love, okay? But once you've learned it, once you've understood it, once you've understood how to use color grading and how to use all these different features that it has, it is the best. And the free version has so many things that you don't need to upgrade to the pro version. So once you understand it, like, you have to pay attention, you have to watch so many videos, you have to try and error, because that's what so many professionals use, especially when it comes to making videos, to making movies. They use that. So once you've grasped it, you're good to go. Like, you are winning at life, okay? I'm jealous of people that actually understand how to use it. Like, I'm still learning, but it really is a labor of love. The third app is InShot. So InShot is a very easy mobile friendly app, especially for those who want to create TikToks and Instagram shots. It's just the best app for it because it has nice text and filter option. Now let's talk about photo editing and thumbnails. So once you have your video and your editing all done, a really good video deserves a nice thumbnail. So these are some of the apps that I use personally to edit my videos and to create thumbnails. The first one is HiPic. So this is a very easy photo editor with so many amazing retouching tools, AI tools. HiPic has so much, okay? It is one app that you don't have to sleep on, especially when it comes to editing your photos. It has very nice features for editing your photos, cutout, removing background. It's just the best. The next app is Canva. If you want to create professional looking thumbnails with texts and graphics, Canva is definitely the app for you, and it's easy to use. And also, majority of the features that it has are free, so you don't really have to pay for the pro version unless you're already there and you really want to upgrade and it's like urgent to upgrade, then you can upgrade, but otherwise the free version is just as perfect. And the last app is Adobe Express. So this is a very nice tool for creating thumbnail because it has free and customizable templates with cool effects. So if you want to create a nice thumbnail, that is another video for you. And also, one thing I realized about Adobe Express is that you can schedule your posts on different apps to be posted, okay, to be posted for you. So they do the posting for you after you putting in all the information that you want in that post. So there you have it. Those are some of the best beginner friendly editing and recording apps for you to use, with the exception of DaVinci Resolve because that works on computers. That's what I've seen, but those are the easiest and the best. So if you're starting out, don't sleep on those apps because they're the apps that are going to help you without paying money, because sometimes when you're starting out, sometimes you're broke, you have nothing, sometimes it's just a hobby and you don't want to put in too much because you know you might not get out too much in the beginning. So those are just the best for starting up, for setting yourself up, trials and error. Those are just the best apps for you that don't compromise the quality of your videos. Let me know down in the comments which app is your favorite and which one you'd like me to try out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye guys.